Who is the payee on a check? Have you ever wondered who exactly gets the money when you write a check? The answer lies in understanding the role of the payee. The payee on a check is the individual or organization that the check is made payable to. This is the person or entity who is designated to receive the funds. You will typically find their name right after the phrase, "pay to the order of," on the check. When you write a check, you are essentially instructing your bank to pay the payee a specific amount of money. This means that the payee is the only one authorized to cash or deposit that check. If the payee wants to transfer the check to someone else, they can endorse it, allowing another person to cash or deposit it. The payee can be a natural person, like a friend or family member, or a legal entity, such as a business or organization. For example, if you are paying your rent, you would write your landlord's name as the payee. When your landlord receives the check, they can deposit it into their bank account, and the funds will be credited to them. It is important to note that if a check is made payable to cash, it can be cashed or deposited by whoever holds the check. However, this practice is less secure and is generally discouraged by banks and credit unions. They prefer checks to be made out to a specific payee to prevent fraud. When a check is presented for cashing or depositing, banks and credit unions will verify that the name on the check matches the person or entity presenting it. This step is essential to ensure that funds are disbursed correctly and to help prevent any fraudulent activity. In summary, the payee on a check is the designated recipient of the funds, clearly identified on the check. This role is vital for the proper handling and processing of checks within banking services. Understanding who the payee is can help you manage your personal finances more effectively and ensure that your payments are made accurately.